In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink on Shopify. If you want to send shoppers to a specific page, product, collection, or even an external site, hyperlinks make that effortless. We'll walk through it inside your Shopify admin so you can add a clean working link to your store's menus or buttons without any confusion. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Online Store. This is where all your storefront settings live, including your theme and the areas where links typically appear, like headers, footers, and buttons. Next, select Themes. Here you'll see your current active theme at the top. Find that active theme and click Edit. Depending on your interface, you may see Customize instead of Edit. Both take you into the theme editor where you'll control what customers see on your storefront. Inside the theme editor, navigate to the area that holds the link you want to change. Choose the menu you want to edit, such as the main menu in your header or a menu in your footer. If you're linking a button or text block on a section, open that section settings so you can adjust its link field. Click the link or button link field. This is where you decide what the hyperlink should point to. Shopify helps you avoid broken links by letting you pick from resources that already exist in your store. Now select what you want to link. You can choose a page, like your About or Contact page, a product which takes shoppers directly to an item, or a collection, which is great for category style navigation. If you need to send visitors somewhere outside your store, enter a custom URL. For external links, paste the full address starting with HTTPS sys or fas to ensure it works correctly. For internal links, using Shopify's built-in picker is best because it keeps links updated if you rename items later. When you've chosen the destination, click Insert to apply that link to the field. Take a quick moment to make sure the text label or menu item name clearly describes where the link goes. Clear labels help customers navigate confidently. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. It's a good idea to use the preview pane to test the link right away. If it opens the correct page or product, you're all set. If not, return to the link field, adjust the selection or URL, and save again. That's it, your hyperlink is live and ready to guide shoppers exactly where you want them to go.